There is a dialogue in that movie that says, what are all these people that you see around you? Okay, and then Morpheus replies to Neo, these are sentient programs. Okay, they are sentient programs that can move in and out of your reality in any system that is still hardwired to the system. Okay, so what does it mean? Now I'm asking you the question, are you a system that is hardwired to this 3D matrix system, or are you a system that is hardwired to the soul matrix system?
It's all about
because as long as you're hardwired to the 3D matrix system, you will have the sentient programs which are just arconic beings that can move in and out of your reality projection. Okay, so the people that you're seeing around you are not yet yourselves.
It's all about humanity.
They are influenced. The sentient programs. Okay, so that means that this level, this dimensional level of reality, the matrix, is not real. Then what's the real world?